welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're definitely welcome. My name is Simbi and I'm a fashion and beauty influencer. My channel focuses on fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, of course. All right, if this is your first time, please kindly stay tuned. If this sounds like what you love, please stay tuned. All right, and please kindly click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can stay connected with me and with my content. All right, so today's video is all about, unboxing of some beauty and skincare products. You all know I like to hook you guys up, and I just can't do without hooking you guys up, with the best things that I use all the time. So today, we are setting fashion aside, we are looking into beauty and skincare. So I have like an unboxing of different products from PIXI Beauty. You all know I did a video about PIXI Beauty in the past, probably a couple of weeks ago. So I have like 3 boxes here, all right, to show you all filled with beauty products. Okay, I have already opened up this too, all right, so I know what's inside already, but this one I received yesterday. I've not opened it up, so I'm not too sure what's inside with beauty or skincare, but we're just going to be doing that all together right now. Okay, so you need to stay tuned, all right, and yeah, so without further ado, let's talk about it. In case you did not know, PIXI Beauty is a beauty brand, beauty / skincare brand, and they are, they have one of the best serums out there. They have one of, I've been on PIXI products for so many years. Even before I started to receive PR products from them, I've been a fan of their products and everything. So I'm really excited when I get some of their products as PR packages. All right, so now this is the first box. I think I should start with the one I've not opened because I'm excited. I want to see what's inside. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Let's do that together. I'm guessing it's makeup, skincare, I'm not sure, but I hope it's skincare, because right now this is festive season. You want to glow, before you put that makeup, the skin itself needs to, so, and I have a lot of their product that I need to stock up on, so I can't really wait. I wish my camera can show you. Okay, so I can't wait to see what's inside. Of course, their packaging is always beautiful. You need to check them out on Instagram. I'll put their handle on the screen. OMG, this is so beautiful. Wow, it looks like makeup, really. Okay, but I'm just going to open that up for you guys to see. It's coming. Okay, this is empty already, and then this was used to protect the package. So it's this little cute bag here. OMG, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check what we have inside. We have this, right, and we have this cute little bag. Isn't it? Are they not beautiful? That's all they have in here. As you can see, nothing else is inside. So this is what we're checking right now. I can't wait. Expect to go as skincare. And the first one here, I'm going to open it up. All right, I'm seeing the glow tonic. You all know that's what I use all the time. So I'm seeing a cute little box. Let me see, is this something like, let me read bag, which is perfect for traveling. Okay, just in case you're traveling, this is the holiday season, right? Okay, so I have here the glow tonic. You all know I received a customized version of this in a huge bottle. I'm still on it, I've not finished. I'm going to show you, give me a second, what the huge bottle looks like. And it has my name written on it. As you can see, I'm already around somewhere here. I use it morning and night. I do not miss it. I do not miss it, like really. So this, I'm getting another one of it. Please, I always say it, if you're trying to start with PIXI products, start with this and the serum. Okay, it's absolutely going to convince you about their product. Now this is a glow mud mask. Okay, and of course the glow mud cleanser. I'm excited about this one because I've really not used this before. Okay, I'm really excited about this. And of course we have the glow tonic cleansing cloth. I got this in the summer collection. absolutely, you know, when you wipe up your makeup and you can see the OMG, it works so well. Like, I literally just use it, okay, to cleanse my face. I still wash, but the amount of dirt this brings out, it's like a cleanser and also like a soft cloth. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean, okay. So this is Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloth. So we have this, and we also have the Glow Mud Cleanser, which I'm going to be telling you guys how, you know, this is just an unboxing. If you want me to, I'm going to be doing a video on my skincare routine actually, okay. And by the way, all the products I have on my face is from PIXI, all right, aside the lashes, which is Lelux Beauty, which is my own lash brand, my own beauty brand, okay. If you do not know, please check it out on Instagram. It's called Lelux Beauty. I'm going to put the handle also on the screen, okay. So this is what they look like. So this is just like a travel size piece. So I'm definitely, if I'm having, you know, to go for a getaway during festives this season, so I'm definitely just, you know, taking this instead of having to carry this old bottle. I'll just take this, and you know, I'm saving this up for the holiday season, okay, because I'm definitely going to be having a lot of getaways. So this will keep me handy. Now let's move to the next box. Looks something like this. I've already opened it up, and this is what it looks like inside. You see, it's so gorgeous. And then we have this, you know, palette. Basically it's eyeshadows, all right. You know, they have cute packaging, like really. Okay, so this is what we have in there. They're actually eyeshadow palettes. I'll open the first one up, okay. Oh, they are not eyeshadow palettes. This is yeah, this is an eyeshadow palette also. I really love the colors. I'm just going to go ahead and swipe this at the back of my hands for you to see how you know, I actually used this on my cheeks this morning, okay. So you can see what the first palette looks like. This palette is called the Sugar Blossom, okay. And we have blossom, sugar, rosewood, and petal. Those are the names of the, you know, shades. And now moving on to the next palette, we have the High Effect Is Not oh, that dropped, okay. I'm going to pick that up so you can see how, you know, they have the best right now in 2020. I transitioned my, you know, look, my makeup look from, you know, having glamorous, you know, whatever, to, you know, subtle and nude. And PIXI product has helped me do that without having to think like, oh, I don't, you know. I use their eyeshadows, I use their lipsticks, their lip glosses and all that. So this is another eyeshadow. As you can see, it's a mix of, you know, perfect for the season right now, you know, the fall season. These colors are just, as you can see, the one I have on right now, okay. These colors are just so lovely. I love how warm it is, okay. And yeah, they also, you know, apply so well. They're actually looking, you know, swiping them at the back of my hand, it's so lovely, so lovely. All right, I'll move on to the next. So I'm looking through two of the palettes. I can see a lot of you know, similarities in the shades. This is called the Rosette Ray, and this is called the Asnot Haze, which is the one I showed you before. So I'm definitely not going to advise you get these two palettes. You can just get one of them, because, you know, except if you want, you know, some black and neutral tones, definitely you go for this one. And these ones are just all neutral shades, you know, warm tones, browns and all that. So these are the two palettes. And also I also noticed the similarities in the other two. You know, this looks like a blush and highlight palette, okay. So definitely, if you're going to be getting, this is called the Sugar Blossom. I think this, it would be okay for a lighter skin tone, and darker girls would, you know, prefer this. This is called the Honey Nectar. So you can definitely go for one of the two, not the two, because, you know, they are quite similar, okay. So that's that for the second box. So let's move quickly to the third box, which is, if this one in my previous PIXI video, this is like another something I unboxed something similar to this. This is like a new collection for you know, skincare, which is like the vitamin C, you know, collection. PIXI, every now and then they have different, you know, collections, you know, that they actually drop on their, that they, you know, unveil different collections all the time. There was a time, I'm currently on their retinol, because, you know, I'm prone to breakout, so which is really working so well for me. If you watch my previous video, I showed some of the products I'm using, all right, to, you know, fight the acne and all that. So this is definitely a good one. I'm already on this, I'm receiving this as a PR package, but I've already gotten this on my own, especially this serum. OMG, it works perfectly, and I love the packaging of this. I'm going to move it closer for you to see how, you know, the color, the way the color blends and all that. So as you can see, you just need to, this is a serum, is a priming oil actually, so it's just like this. So all you just need to do is to apply 1 or 2 drops on the face, and you know, trust me, anything that has to do with serum, they have the best out there. Okay, so I'm going to also look at this. This is the lip, I used this before I applied my lip gloss this morning. Okay, as you can see, this is a new one, but I have one that I use already. Let me know if, okay, yeah, so this is just like a lip protector. It's called the lip brightener. And then we have the under eye. Already I have the under eye from the retinol collection, but this is definitely going to, I'm going to definitely try this, because you know, vitamin C, it's a good ingredient in skincare products. Also for this one, we have the brightening perfector. So that's all we have for this. I'm going to move closer for you to see. Okay, we have the brightening protector, we have the lip brightener, under eye brightener, and the priming oil, which is this one. Okay, so those are the products that we have in the third box. Okay, so having a giveaway here on my channel where I'm going to be giving out some of this beautiful product, so that, you know, my subscribers can enjoy, you know. Let me know if you'll be interested. Okay, and yeah, so those are all the products I'm unboxing today. You need to check out PIXI. They have loads of products for different skin you know, types, dark skin, light skin, just name it. They have all sorts of products. Okay, and yeah, like I said, I can vouch for their products. They are not cruel on the skin, so it's something that I've been using for years, and I can stand by it anytime, any day. Okay, so check them out. I'm going to put their handle on the screen at PIXI on Instagram, okay, where you can see and have access to even chat directly with them on Instagram. Okay, so it's a little bit cold in here. I'm having, my nose is dripping, like really. Okay, so I'm just going to end this here. Thank you so much for watching what I think, my final review of the vitamin C collection, because already what I have in this box is not something new to me. It's something I've been using all the time already, so yeah, you know, all good for me. And yeah, so definitely will let you guys know what I think about this one. I'm currently on this right now. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up my video, like, comment, share, and please check me out and follow me on my Instagram at Simbbyfabgirl. And yeah, let me know what you think. Which products have you tried before from PIXI, and which one would you be trying? All right, let me know how you're, you know, staying glued up in this festive season. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe as always. Love you all. Bye.